In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit HTML in Elementor. Whether you're a beginner looking to add custom code to your web page or an experienced developer wanting to integrate your own scripts, this tutorial is designed to make the process straightforward and easy to follow. Let's start by opening your page in the Elementor editor. Launch your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the page you want to edit, and click on the Edit with Elementor button. This will bring you to the Elementor interface, where all the magic happens. Here, you'll find a versatile set of tools that make designing web pages intuitive and fun. Now, to add HTML code, we'll first need to find the HTML widget in Elementor. Head over to the Widget panel, which is usually located on the left sidebar. You can either scroll through the list of widgets or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the HTML widget. It's easily identifiable with the angle bracket icon labeled with a simple Once you've found it, you're ready for the next step. Drag the HTML widget to wherever you want your code to appear on your page. Pick a section that's appropriate for the code you're intending to include. This could be within a section where you want a specific feature or effect, or maybe under a particular header where custom styles or scripts are necessary. The beauty of Elementor is that it offers you the freedom to precisely place elements exactly where you want them to be. With the HTML widget in place, click on it, and you'll see a content area where you can paste your code. Whether it's pure HTML, a snippet of CSS styles contained within style tags, or even JavaScript wrapped in script tags, this robust tool handles it all. Simply copy your code from your source and paste it right into this area. Don't worry if you're not confident about all the technical details. Elementor provides basic error checking as you edit. This means while you enter and modify your code, Elementor will alert you to any immediate errors or conflicts, enabling you to make quick corrections. Remember that while using custom code is powerful, it's essential to ensure that everything you add is correct and doesn't conflict with other elements or scripts on your page. Always double-check your code before pasting it in, and take advantage of the basic error checks for an extra layer of assurance. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to editing HTML within Elementor. By following these steps, you can customize and enrich your web pages however you see fit, adding that personalized touch or functionality you've envisioned. Keep experimenting, stay curious, and use these skills to enhance your web design prowess. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Elementor tips and tricks.